What if I told you that most people are using AI completely wrong and missing out on results that could literally change their lives? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into the secret world of promptology, the hidden art that separates AI amateurs from absolute masters. And yes, we'll also explore some powerful AI tools that help you turn your own words into detailed expert-level prompts. Hey there, prompt geeks! Welcome back to the channel where we uncover the mysteries that big tech doesn't want you to know about. I'm your host, and today we're about to blow your mind with secrets that will transform how you interact with AI forever. Before we dive in, smash that like button if you're ready to become an AI whisperer, and subscribe with notifications on, because we're dropping truth bombs that could disappear faster than your patience with a poorly written prompt. Let me start with a shocking revelation. Last week, I asked ChatGPT the same question using two prompting techniques. The first, what 99% of people use, gave me a boring, corporate-sounding answer. I asked, give me ideas for a YouTube channel. It replied with gaming channel, cooking channel, travel vlogs. Useless, uninspired, and totally underwhelming. The second method, using advanced promptology, gave me a response so creative it made me question everything I thought I knew about AI. The kicker? It wasn't the AI that changed, it was the prompt. That's what we're mastering today. And here's the part that might make you angry. AI companies know this. Internally, they use these techniques. They train teams on them, run seminars on prompt engineering, and understand that output quality depends on input quality. But they never taught you. Why? Because it's better for their marketing to sell a simple tool than to admit it requires skill. They want you to think limitations are the AI's fault, not yours. Today, we change that. We pull back the curtain. Here's what most people get wrong. AI isn't just a fancy search engine. It's a reasoning system. How you talk to it matters more than what you say. It doesn't just find existing info. It synthesizes new info based on patterns in massive data sets. Treat it like Google and you get Google tier results. But treat it like a smart expert, creative partner, or strategist, game changer. This mindset shift is key. AI isn't passive, it's a collaborator. So how do we do it? Let's break down the core principles of promptology. First, role assignment. Always give the AI a job and a persona. Don't just say, write a business plan. Instead, you are a successful entrepreneur who's launched 5 startups, 2 acquired for over $100 million. You're practical and hate corporate jargon. Write a 1-page business plan like you're mentoring your younger self, focusing on the 3 most critical things to get right in the first 90 days. This simple change drastically improves quality. Why? You focus the AI's knowledge through a specific lens. It's not just responding, it's becoming that expert. Second, context layering. The AI doesn't know you unless you tell it. It has no memory of your goals or challenges. Don't just ask for advice. Explain your situation. Example, bad prompt. Give me a workout plan. Better, I'm a 42-year-old office worker with lower back pain. I have dumbbells and a yoga mat at home. I can work out for 30 minutes, 4 times a week before my kids wake up. My goal is to lose 10 pounds in 3 months and feel more energetic. I've tried HIIT, but it hurts my back. Success means getting stronger without pain. That extra context completely changes the advice you get. Third, emotional priming. This feels strange, but it works. AI is trained on emotional human language. If you start with an emotional tone, it will adapt. Instead of, help me with this presentation, say, I'm incredibly frustrated and need urgent help with this pitch for my boss. It's make or break for my career. I need you to be direct, motivational, and give me 3 strong opening statements. You'll see a major shift in tone, more direct, serious, and helpful. Fourth, constraint creativity. Creativity loves the limits. Don't say, give me marketing ideas. Too vague. Instead, write a social media campaign for a new eco-friendly coffee brand. The copy must only use questions. Target busy parents aged 30-45. Tone, playful and empathetic. Avoid using the words sustainable or green. Constraints force novelty. The result won't just be different. It'll be better, sharper, more original. Fifth, iterative refinement. Big mistake, treating AI like a vending machine. Enter a prompt, get an answer, and leave. Wrong. The first answer is just a starting point. Great prompts evolve, ask follow-ups, request tweaks, challenge assumptions. Try. That's a good start. Can you make the tone more professional? Or expand point 3 with real-world examples. Or rewrite from a skeptical customer's view. The magic is in the back and forth. AI is your co-pilot, not a one-shot oracle. Sixth, specification precision. Vague input gets vague output. Want something specific? Ask specifically. Include tone, formal, witty, format, bullets, table, story, audience, beginners, experts, word count, and style. Not write an email about our new software. Instead, write a 150-word email to existing customers about our software update. Tone, enthusiastic but professional. Subject, a question. Format, intro, 3 feature bullets, CTA link. Audience, non-technical users. That's the difference between meh and wow. 7th, strategic prompting sequences. Don't solve everything in one prompt, break it into steps. Start, my goal is to create an online course on photography for beginners. First, help me understand the biggest challenges they face. Then, great. Based on those, brainstorm 5 unique course modules. Then, I like module 2, Mastering Light. Create a detailed lesson plan. Layered prompting builds layered intelligence. Guide AI through the process for stronger results. 8th, feedback integration. Train your AI mid-convo. Say what you liked or didn't. You're not retraining the model, just shaping the moment. For example, I like the analogy, keep using them, or that was too formal, make it conversational. More feedback equals more alignment with your voice. 9th, the context sandwich method. Start with context, top slice, your request, filling, then output format and intent, bottom slice. Example, I'm a marketing manager for a small e-commerce brand selling handmade leather goods. We struggle to compete with larger, cheaper brands. Context. Write 3 distinct marketing angles to highlight our quality and craftsmanship. Request. Present in a table with angle, target audience, and sample headline for our quarterly plan, output, and intent. This full picture gives you accurate, well-formatted results. Thinking, sounds great, but a lot of work. Here's the toolkit to make you a prompt wizard. First, Fido AI Prompt Generator. Perfect for blank screen moments. Choose a category, pick a use case, fill in your product and audience. It builds your prompt. Next, Prompt Perfect. Paste your rough prompt and it sharpens it for ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Adds detail, restructures, and improves results fast. Then, AI Prompt. A Chrome extension with thousands of pre-built, community-voted prompt templates inside ChatGPT. SEO articles, YouTube scripts, just click, tweak, and go. Need a giant prompt library? FlowGPT. Search by niche, task, audience, or goal. See trends. Copy what works, adapt it. Feeling bold? Hugging face spaces. An open source playground. Experimental builders, prompt chains, advanced tools. A glimpse into the future. For pros, Minimax.io's Prompt Hub. Advanced builders, multilingual tools, prompt management. Bit of a learning curve, but powerful for complex prompt engineering. Now, a real-world example. I once asked ChatGPT, help me make a presentation about digital marketing. Result, a generic outline. Totally useless. So I rewrote it with role assignment, context layering, and specification precision. You are a top-tier presentation designer and marketing strategist who specializes in winning over skeptical, old-school business owners. Create a 10-slide deck on digital marketing. Audience. Traditional store owners who think social media is for kids and trust only word of mouth. They're nervous about change, proud of their legacy. Make digital marketing feel like a natural extension of their values. Tone. Respectful, confident. Focus. Foot traffic, local sales. Avoid jargon. Make it feel like a wise partner showing them a tool to protect and grow what they love. The result? Chef's kiss. Title, Your Legacy Amplified. Social media became the digital town square. SEO was the new Main Street. Strategic, persuasive, and empathetic. A real business solution. That's prompt power. Promptology isn't just about better answers, it's about better thinking. A great prompt forces you to clarify goals, break down problems, define success. You ask sharper questions, communicate better. With AI and people, mastering AI starts by mastering the question. Your challenge. Pick one principle or one tool. Use it today. Then come back and post your before and after. Show us what changed. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Next time we're diving into advanced prompt chains that turn AI into your autonomous business partner. Don't miss it.